left here.
Turn left onto Perth Street.
What does it look like? Oh no, that wasn't left.
In 200 yards,
was it?
turn right onto Willows Lane.
Ceiling showing. Thank you very much, sir.
In 200 yards, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Willows Lane.
Straight down now.
You're looking straight.
Which up?
You're looking straight.
Yeah.
Seems a bit angle.
Which way?
Bit tilted now. No.
What do you mean?
Still seeing the sun. Like tilted. If you're gonna tilt left.
Left? I can't do anything about that. I don't know. Like that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Can you do?
Yeah.
Is that too low now? You shall see everything.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is a 1.3 litre hybrid, 161 horsepower. It's very weak. That's all I can say. It's fast and nippy in these roads.
Roundabout, continue straight to stay on Willows Lane.
You hear the turbo noises, guys.
Turn left onto Blackburn Road.
So yeah, on the main. Oh yeah, we're here now. Turn it off.
Turn left onto Blackburn Road, then your destination will be on the right.
Right. Alright guys, so yeah, 24. What the fuck am I saying now? It's got 161 horsepower. It's very nippy in town, boys. Shit. Otherwise, there's only one petrol model, unless you get the AMG spec. Oh, auto source off. There you go. No wonder. Yeah. So what the hell was I saying now? I can't remember. Yeah, we might be stuck in traffic most of this video. Come on, you bastards. But yeah, look, I don't know. The steering wheel is very light. Can you see? My BMW is so heavy. But the problem is at high speed is also still light. It doesn't go heavier. That's a big problem. So yeah, right now I'm in individual mode, so I have the sports on the engine, sports and everything, apart from the ESP and the what do you call it? So we got normal traction and normal steering wheel, because the sports steering wheel is even lighter. The turbo noises this car makes. Woohoo! Got speed camera here. Come on, geez. Oh yeah, it's very comfortable ride, I can't lie. But after 50 miles an hour, after you go 50 miles an hour, it's very hard to pick up speed. It takes a long time because of the 1.3 litre. The hybrid system just doesn't work at higher speeds. At lower speeds it's alright, like in town and stuff, it's quite nippy. And even when you're starting off, it shoots off a bit, so you have to be careful of that. Like you'll go flying just because of the hybrid system. Come on, uncle. After you, sir. Where's my green light? There it is. Wow. Give you a nice road down there, guys, to have a look at. But yeah, this car drinks fuel, by the way. If you're gonna get anything, get the diesel, the 2-litre diesels. There's a lower power model and there's a higher power model. I recommend the higher power diesel model because it still gets 47 miles per gallon or something. The lower power diesel gets 50 miles per gallon. So for 3 miles per gallon, you might as well get the bloody powerful one, 180, 190 horsepower, something like that. Or you can get on the petrol, there's only the 1.3 litre, unless you get the AMG spec, which is a different car in like a different car fully. It's a complete different car. It's a sports car that. So the AMG spec is a 2 litre, 300 horsepower hybrid as well, mild hybrid. So yeah. Now this car might be 161 horsepower, but it doesn't feel like it, because it's lacking. It's because most of it would be made up with the electric system. But guys, we get some bends around here, nice bends. Pick up some speed around here, down there. But yeah, it's a very beautiful car. The interior is really nice, very comfortable. You have everything where you need it. Got cup holders there, you can make them smaller. You can put your keys there, you'll charge your key. It's keyless start. The steering wheel is actually one of the best I've seen. The only downside of the steering wheel is the buttons, they're all touch sensitive. Alright, let's go guys. But yeah, when it's in sports mode or individual mode, I love the roar of the engine, it sounds really nice. And you get the turbo whooshing as well, and then you have the electric whine as well at the same time. So you get three noises in one, and it sounds really nice on the inside and outside. So imagine what the AMG sounds like, it'll be mental. Everyone braking, come on man. What the hell, did it take 1 year to turn right? Nothing there, bro. Come on man. You hear the roar of the engine, guys. Because it's a 1.3 litre, it works harder obviously, so you'll have higher revs when you're putting your foot down. That's why it sounds louder. Now the 50 is coming, I'm going to put my foot down there. You ready guys? Let's prepare for it guys. 30 to 50 is quite quick actually. 50 to 70 takes a long time. Ready guys? Okay, to be fair, that did take a long time as well. So I don't know. Just I think when the hybrid system's charged, it's just better. But obviously, if you're constantly putting your foot down, the hybrid system won't be charged. So yeah. Oh, I have my back windows open as well. The window is so bloody windy. I think it was all the wind noise. But yeah, the one thing I hear about this car is the lane fucking keep assist is very aggressive even in the lowest setting. It bloody took you to Africa. Alright mate. Yeah, it's a really nice car to drive. I would recommend it in the diesel spec. Don't buy this 1.3 litre. Because it's not good on fuel, it's not good on power. What's the purpose of it? Do you know what I mean? It sounds good, that's it. There's no real purpose of it. Because there's no way to charge the system either. It's not it's a mild hybrid, not an actual proper hybrid. So it only charges from you braking and stuff, and the alternator I'm guessing. We won't charge much, do you know what I mean? And the miles per gallon is awful. We're getting 29 miles per gallon. Even when I've drove on motorway, the best I've seen is 32 miles per gallon, which is awful to be honest. For such a small engine, it's very awful that. Because if you get a Volkswagen one, You get 1.4 Volkswagens and the big saloon cars and SUVs. They get 50 miles per gallon and stuff, you know. So this is just terrible, and this is a hybrid system as well. So should be better. But yeah, I don't know the purpose of this engine. It just doesn't make any sense. It's slow, and yeah, slow and uneconomical, and yeah, it's just basically made for emissions. That's the purpose of this engine. Alright guys. Wow. Timing?
10:34.
Didn't I end at 10 yesterday?
Yeah.
Or did you end at 12? Or did you end it by accident yesterday? I'll screen the windscreen. On the back one, you press it like this. Nice, isn't it, guys? Bloody hell! Oops. That's a fucking hell. Oh my days. That's how you clean the windscreen on my BMW, so I'm used to that. Okay. Yeah. You got a signature there. I don't know who's wrote down there. It's got a nice signature there. So I'm guessing it must be. Oops. Do it again. Press it once. There you go. Let's hear this engine roar, guys. I love the turbo noises. Sounds bloody amazing. What do you think, guys? Take you for a circuit, lads. Roadworks going on here. I don't know what they're doing though. Even when you slow down, you hear the electric system because it's obviously charging, so it makes like a whoosh sound. What's up? It's still going. Normally ends, isn't it? We'll end it down there. I've run on the motor. 40 lads, 40. Can you hear it? As soon as I press the brakes, it sets the motors backwards on the electric motor, so you get that electric noise coming. It's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, I can do a 70 pull there. Guys, we're going to do a 70 pull. Are you ready? Still recording? Oh no, stop. I'll stop. You see, it's very, very slow. Takes a long time. Makes a lot of noise, but it doesn't go anywhere. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, guys.